I really
Yeah. What the hell? Welcome to Amari Hotel at Johor, Bahru, Derby in Malaysia. Okay, so we have just checked in and this is the Grand Deluxe room and we got it at a really good price. It's only around 95 per night. So upon entering the room, on your left is a toilet. So let's just check out the toilet first. Wait, before I talk about the toilet, this area is very spacious for you to put like many luggages. So like we have like two luggage, right? Two luggages. So this is like the mini size carry-on cabin size. So you can actually put like, I don't know, 3 or maybe 2 big size one. And there are cupboards here. And there are also like cabinets for you to, or drawers for you to probably put your shoes inside lah. So it's actually very like user friendly. Then the toilet is actually a sliding door. So there's a toilet and there's also like a bidet. Can wash your pee-pee. And then there's ample toilet roll. The sink is actually really huge. And then they have like dental kit and shower cap and then cotton tips. So the basic ones that we need. And a soap bar. There's also body lotion by Amari. 2 hand towels and then tissue box. There's a mirror here, which is, this is like the magnifying mirror. So for the bathroom, right, okay, just let me squeeze in. Yeah, so they have a shower head as well as the rain shower, and they have provided like the basic amenities like the shampoo as well as the shower gel. And then right here, right, it's actually sort of like an opaque glass, so you can actually see light from the bedside. Alright, so that's the end of the toilet tour. And just on the left of the toilet, you can actually have access from this side to like the robe and the bedroom slippers and the safe as well as the hair dryer. And you know what's the most interesting part? Ta-da! You also can open from this side, so it's like both ways. Okay, so yeah, okay, there's like a ironing board. Yeah, so that's about it. And then ample hangers if you need it. Hey, so yes, welcome to the bedroom. I love it because it's like damn spacious. It's my birthday and my anniversary, so actually this is very cute one. And it's the first hotel that I stayed at that they give like blue towels instead of white. Huh? Okay, so this is a king size bed. The pillows look very comfy, very fluffy. You can actually push this. I'm not very sure how does this work. It's not like you can see the toilet from inside, right? It's just like an opaque glass. So, but maybe it's just for you to have some light if you wanna. Then if you don't want, you can just, you know, push it back. Yeah. So there are 2 bedside lamps, some charging ports at the side, one over here, and there's also the same one at the side. Yeah. Okay. There's like a TV here, Samsung TV. You can't pull it out. Shelves over here. And they give TWGT. Woohoo! Yeah, and there's cups and kettle over here. And the mini fridge is here. Ta-da! Oh my god, so cute! And they gave us a cake. So kawaii ne. And we are actually facing, that's like the, where?
Custom?
Oh, so we are facing the Custom and Holiday Inn. So anyways, there's one thing that I kind of need to take note is that everything is good. Everything is good. We haven't tried a bed yet, but it's just that there's some crumbs. They didn't check the chair, you know. So yeah, probably missed out that part.
They too excited with the swan already.
But I will still need the feedback, you know. Yeah, but the service is great. Like, you know, they the welcoming part was very good. You know, they greet us nicely. Oh, it's your birthday today. A happy birthday. Happy anniversary. Yeah. I don't know why they have all this paper and envelope also. Yeah.
Oh, for you to feedback.
Yeah. So that's like a quick room tour for Amari sorry, not Amari Watergate. Amari Watergate is in Bangkok. Okay, so but this is Amari Johor Bahru in Malaysia. So if you're just gonna look at some, you know, quick getaway, you wanna come here and eat some tasty food, shop at Watson's, but you're gonna, you know, you feel a bit tired, you can just stay here for a night. I think it's quite reasonable for this room. It's at $95 SGD. Alright, so we're gonna unpack and we're gonna chill and then gonna head out for our item for today. So thank you for watching. Sayonara, see you later.
I really
Yeah. What the hell?